Hey travelers, today we've got another tour of the Rarotongan Beach Resort and Lagoonarium. This is a beachside room. It is not located right on the beach. It is located about 25 steps from the beach. This is a basic room category, and considering this is just the basic one, you really can't go wrong with it. There are beach front rooms, and those are directly on the beach and overlooking the beautiful beach here in Rarotonga. So I would recommend upgrading just simply for the view, but you'll see that this room here is very functional, a little bit maybe rustic, but this is a very old hotel, but overall very functional, and the resort's very compact, so it's easy to get around and to see everything. Find the restaurants, find the bars, find the lobby area where you can buy beers or wine after hours, as well as some water to stay hydrated. So let's go and check it out. All right, after a very long day and a long flight, we have made it to the Rarotongan Beach Resort and Lagoonarium. So let's tour this. So we've got some basics in here. On this side, we've got sort of open bathroom, except it does have a door for the toilet and shower, and it's a step in, which is quite a nice toiletries. Pretty much everything you need there. And then single sink, cloths, hair dryer, pretty small safe, but I'm guessing that would fit a small laptop, and then some hangers up there. A little microwave, fridge, TV, snacks from home, king size bed, little sitting area, another extra bed, I'm not really sure why, beach towels presumably, and this is the view, which means you can't see anything, so I don't know, we'll take another look at that tomorrow, but there you go, that's the room view today. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the beachside room at the Rarotongan Beach Resort and Lagoonarium. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.